are small apes. Apes that live in a blue planet, which lives in a world of planets called our solar system. But what is the solar system? This is the question mark. Body, space, Earth, physics. Our solar system is a system of 8 planets. All of these 8 planets, besides the Sun, all are a part of the Milky Way galaxy, which is bigger. That tiny white dot right there is our Sun. Let's meet all of these planets. This is Mercury. His day side is hot and his night side is cold. Mercury's orbit takes about 88 days. His rotate takes about 31 days. Mercury doesn't have an atmosphere, except in the North Pole and the South Pole. His craters are made from tons of meteors. Next one is Venus. Venus's clouds have some acid rain. This isn't a good thing to us. Well, have good luck standing here because you're going to be really, really hot. You see, Venus absorbs a lot of the sun's energy and it can't get out. So, Venus is really hot. Scientists may have believed that it once had liquid oceans. This is Earth. You may know this one. This is what it looks like in infrared. The Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has life. All mated in an order. The moon is our nearest neighbor. And in 1 billion years, the sun will be increasing luminosity, turning it all into a barren wasteland, resembling something like Venus. Next is Mars. It has a volcano called Olympus Mons and 2 moons. Right now, we are sending tons of satellites to Mars for investigations. We may have driven Mars in the future. Jupiter's next. Jupiter's the biggest planet in the solar system. This is what Earth looks like compared to it. The Great Red Spot is Jupiter's biggest hurricane. It could fit about 2 Earths. Jupiter also has a high pitch of winds. Jupiter may have a core which is a fireball or a black ocean. The 6th planet is Saturn. Saturn has a ring system as thick as the Grand Canyon. But if we're talking about Saturn's ring system from beginning to end, it will be as big as the Earth all the way to the moon. The Cassini probe plunged into Saturn at 2017. If you put it in a bathtub, it will float on it. Uranus is next. It has an invisible ring system. We start to enter the clouds. Underneath it is an ocean. Then we head toward solid ice. Beneath that solid ice is another ocean, but a little bit colder. And finally, it is dark, until suddenly we head towards the core. Uranus has 27 moons. And there's Neptune. Neptune has strong winds. It also has a moon named Triton. and a dark spot called the Great Dark Spot. It's 5 times smaller than the Great Red Spot. Uranus and Neptune may have diamonds on their center. There's the 8 planets for you. The solar system also has 7 dwarf planets. Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, Aries, Sedna, and the Goblin. There's an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. In the center of this asteroid belt is Ceres. At the center of our solar system is a hot burning flame called the Sun. This is what the solar system looks like 4.5 billion years ago. I hope you like our trip. This isn't our first movie. Our first movie is gonna come out in film after this one. Our first movie is a movie about how will the universe end. But there's even a movie before that, which is a true preview.